everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute tiny bouquet that you can gift to someone. So I'm going to show you how to make the flowers first, and what you're going to need to make these is something you can wrap your pipe cleaners around. So for instance, I'm using one of my paint brushes, 2 pipe cleaners and 1 green pipe cleaner. So to start, grab one of your pink pipe cleaners and simply wrap it all the way around your paintbrush or straw. Once you've done that, you want to squeeze it together as you see me doing here, so it keeps the curls nice and tight. Slip it off of your paintbrush and push your green pipe cleaner all the way through that section. Then pop it to one side and again repeat the same process with the pink pipe cleaner. Then again, slide this off of your paintbrush and onto your green pipe cleaner. What you're going to do now is take your green pipe cleaner and again push it all the way through the first pink pipe cleaner you put on. You're then going to take either end of your green pipe cleaner and pull tight. When you've done that, turn your flower over and twist the 2 green pipe cleaner pieces together at the bottom. We're then going to take the longest bit of green pipe cleaner and start turning that into little leaves under our flower. And to do that, you're just going to create a small little loop at the base and then twist over once. Then moving over again, create a small loop and again twist over once and repeat the process until you have 3 or 4 leaves. So with the extra bit of pipe cleaner I have left, you're just going to simply twist that around the other piece to secure everything in place. And there we go, that is our first flower complete. So you can make as many of these as you like for your bunch. I'm going to go ahead and just do 5 for this one. And when you've made as many as you like, I'm going to go ahead and take my other pink pipe cleaner and just wrap it around the stalks to keep everything in its place. So now that we're done with our flowers, we're going to take our paper to make our bouquet sleeve. Now for this small bunch of flowers, the size of the paper I'm using is 14 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide. Now what we're going to do is start rolling up our paper. You want to make sure you keep one tight point at the bottom and keep the top wider as you roll. So when you've finished rolling, it should look like this, and what I'm going to do is just use my hot glue gun just to secure this all in place. So there we go, we've all finished with our mini bouquet. Now these are great little gifts to add into hampers or just on their own, and also great as party favours.